Hello my dears, this is Sarah from sheholdsdearly.com, and today I want to show you how you can make a wreath in under 5 minutes. The trick to wreath making quickly is to have the right supplies. There's different forms you can use. There's foam, floral foam forms that you can use, and I find that those fall apart too quickly. There are flat wire circle forms. Those are not very helpful. I like using grapevines because if you are making a natural wreath, if part of your form shows through, it blends in well enough. And I love that it's got the 3D, so you've got the outside and the top side and the inside that you can work with, so it's easier to get a nice full looking wreath. I think wreaths are sometimes more desirable than even a potted plant to decorate with, because anytime you put decorations up, you get more impact. A lot of times when I'm consulting with people, I will go in and they will decorate just horizontally and then feel like something's missing, and there is something missing. You want to also decorate up on the walls, and if you can even get something up above you, that's even more powerful, because it's like it has this experiential feel to it when you walk into the room. So anytime you can get plants kind of up on the wall, it's always extra powerful. And you probably know I'm gonna choose fern wreath because ferns are my favorite right now. They probably will be for a few years. So a faux fern wreath, say that 10 times fast, is gonna be good for several years, and I won't have to worry about it dying. Real ferns are actually, in my opinion, kind of finicky and hard to take care of, so I'm doing the faux ferns right now, and I'm excited to get this fern wreath done too. So you want to start with the grapevine. The second thing that I recommend is trying to find garlands. So these are 6-inch garlands. I got mine at Michael's and I saw them at Joann's this week. They're probably at Hobby Lobby too, and they are fern, couple different fern textures in here. Also looks like maybe like a boxwood mixed in, but I'm fine with that. I think it looks great. So I bought 2 of these, and this is gonna make the wreath process go really quickly. And last of all, I would work with some floral wire. Cut your wire about 8 inches long, and let's get started. So first of all, we're gonna start off by wrapping our garland around the outside of the wreath and then spiraling it up on top of the flat surface and grabbing, by that time we'll be to our second garland, and continuing around, we're gonna go into the inside of the circle. Get it kind of all positioned how we want, then we're gonna wire it all down and fluff it up. Make sure we're not seeing any wires or this plastic stem that comes on the garland. And here we go. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm so perfectly happy with the final result. Let's go hang it on the front door. Now, I like to use command strips. If you have not started to use these as a decorator, you must start today. I'm hoping to do a post on the top 10 items that every DIY decorator needs, and command strips, the hooks, are gonna be in that list. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to stop by. If you are new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I do post regularly and share my professional design advice in our vintage home life. All right, take care, and I'll see you soon.